So we having grandkids football at this time. So before the start, I'm having a video here in the Bali. Look at that. Ayan. So kasama ko yung aking husband. Ayan. Oh, look at the Bali. The parking area there, very clean. Green. At this time, green pa guys kasi magpo-pulse pa lang. Look at the Bali. Alright. That's very nice looking in here. As you can see, clear Valley. Ang dami, ang lawak ng ang land ng US guys. My gosh. Dito sa Washington State.